So right here I have Sempra Gas relocating my gas line because my rose bushes ended up being close to where the line was. You can see one of the yellow flags right there. You can see the rose bushes. And the architect who did the design for the roses had it cross over that line. I wasn't sure how deep the line was. I didn't want to breach that, so this has not been planted and organized the way that I had wanted it to. So finally, I called Sempra Gas. They came out and marked. They came out to move the line as close to that Tiger tree as possible. We started with shovels. It's now turned into that air hammer because the roots of that tree and certainly the rocks in my neighborhood are plentiful on that slope. So these two guys, they've been working probably. They had two guys working here for a week, solid, stopped for a while, and they're back again. So this is not a small job. But once that line's moved over, they'll mark it again. That'll give me the ability to reorganize the rose garden. I'll know exactly where the line is.